Nithyananda everybody. This is Parashara here. Welcome to Glimpses Astrology channel. I was interested in creating a yoga series for everyone. The 108 asanas that I do every day. Usually people call asanas poses or positions, but the appropriate name, and especially Sanskrit name, they are called asanas. Today, I will be presenting a yoga asana from this book called Nithyananda Yoga. And the reason why I'm referring off of a book rather than just doing yoga in front of you guys is because you guys need to know the context, and it's very important. So this is Nithyananda Yoga. It is the authentic yoga and is the revival of the original yoga. It has been revealed and gifted to the world by a living avatar, the living avatar, Paramahamsa Nithyananda, as per the intention of Sadashiva, not as a mere physical exercise, but as a clear path to manifest yogic powers. And yoga is nothing more than you aligning your spine to the cosmic geometry. Many yogis have said that God lives within your spine, and that is where your Kundalini Shakti is also. So it is very important to understand this. It was requested to me from a viewer on how to achieve this Padmasana and how you can practice every day. Literally within 5 minutes a day or less. It was asked to me by a viewer how I achieved Padmasana. Now there are 4 Padmasanas and I'll be presenting them here today along with the context and how to do them step by step. There is Padmasana 1, Padmasana 2, Padmasana 3, and Padmasana 4. All of these 4 asanas, make sure that you are visualizing Goddess Lakshmi. Shastra reference will be in the description. For Padmasana 1, the technique is sitting and placing the left foot on the inner right thigh. Place the right foot on the left thigh and keep the spine straight. Now for Padmasana 2. It is pretty much the same as before. The only difference is that you're going to be placing the hands in a mudra. A mudra is pretty much a way that you place your hand. So the mudra, you are placing your hands on your knees, flat on your knees. Now with this Padmasana, it increases concentration and it doesn't allow for any thoughts to interfere. And all the scriptural references will be down in the description below, along with the link for you to download this PDF version of the Nithyananda Yoga, Evolution of New Species, 1008 Pramanas from the source. Now for Padmasana 3. In this seated position, while sitting up straight, place the right foot on the inner left thigh and place the left foot on the right thigh and hold the toes with the opposite hands. Now this is a different mudra that you're doing with your hand. The name of this mudra is called Prana Mudra. So the benefits of this asana, because it's a meditative asana, one attains unparalleled wisdom of the highest order through the arousal of Kundalini Shakti and by intense concentration on the supreme reality. This asana brings control on prana, helps removing disease. This Padmasana creates a subtle upward flow of Kundalini and a feeling of all-knowingness. And lastly, Padmasana 4. Being in Padmasana 4, sitting up straight and place the left foot on the inner right thigh. Place the right foot on the left thigh. Hold the toes with the opposite hand. Close your eyes and relax. I now describe the Padmasana which wards off all diseases, all curses. Having crossed the legs, carefully place the feet on the opposite thighs. Carefully place the feet on the opposite thighs, the left foot on the right thigh, and vice versa. Cross both the hands and place them similarly on the thighs. Fix the sight on the tip of the nose, pressing the tongue against the root of the teeth. The chin should be elevated, the chest expanded. Then draw the air slowly. Fill the chest with all your might and expel it slowly in an unobstructed stream. It cannot be practiced by everyone. Only the wise attain success in it. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys next time in the series of yoga asanas. I will be releasing more and more short videos like this so you guys can start gaining success in achieving and mastering each asana so that you guys have the proper context and the proper benefits of what each asana does and when are great times to do them other than your morning practice, your morning daily routines. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you liked the video and leave a comment below if you were able to achieve this asana while watching this video.